All right, welcome back to the next episode of me being an absolute imbecile. You're probably reading the title and thinking, what the hell are you talking about? Yes, I genuinely believe that. I genuinely think that angel eyes, halos, those LED rings that we all know and love on modern BMWs really don't belong on E46's and E36's in my opinion. Obviously, to each his own. I'm gonna do what I feel is best for my car. Everybody, I'm not saying that this is right or this is wrong, but I'm just voicing how I feel and what I think is right in terms of modding procedure for a car of this time period. To make more sense of what I'm trying to say is, some mods work on some BMWs and other mods don't. So you guys remember when I started my channel, I was obsessed with killing the chrome grille, like always rocking gloss black kidney grills, you know, having halos and stuff. That's okay on newer cars, I feel. You know, even on newer cars, sometimes the kidney grills do work if they're just chrome. Depends on the color, the contrast, you have to know how to make it work. A lot of this isn't art when it comes to modifying cars, and sometimes some people just have an eye for things that look right and work, and some people just don't. I'm not gonna sit here and try to say I do, I just do what I think I like, and my taste changes over time, as it should, because remaining stagnant when it comes to modifications to your car is kind of weird. Like, you should just, you know, always try new things and switch it up every once in a while to have a new appreciation for your car. So what we're gonna be doing in this video is actually taking out the angel eye rings in the headlights in my E46. So the previous owner actually put in angel eyes in this car, the rings. So on E46s, if you're not familiar, you can actually open up the lenses and put halos in them. It's very easy on E46s considering they're detachable, versus on other cars where you have to like re-glue and unglue. But on E36s and E46s, these are just removable. You slap in the rings and that's it. Previous owner actually put in these really dotted ones that I don't like at all, and even if they're the smooth ones, I just don't like halos on E46 M3s, as you guys can probably tell by the title and everything I just explained. So in my opinion, they just don't look good, and on E36 M3s, they don't look good either. So what we're gonna be doing is, I already removed the driver's side one, I just never got around doing the passenger side one, but now in today's video, we're just gonna remove the passenger headlight and take out the rings themselves, because it looks weird, like one headlight has it, one headlight doesn't. Can't just half-ass a job like that. And then the other thing is, I guess you guys could use this video as reference to how to take out a headlight if you ever need to. The driver's side is more of a bitch because you literally have to remove all the HID stuff. Be careful when you do this stuff, because as soon as I did my driver's side, my bulb started to give off a little bit of a pink hue, and it seems like something's going bad in the bulb ballast or the igniter. I don't know what it is. I hope it's nothing, but it stopped working one day and then it just started working and it hasn't stopped since, so I'm just fingers crossed that doesn't happen again. So what I'm gonna do really fast is take the E46 out and have the nose facing the toolbox, so I have more lighting and a place to put down the camera, and then we can get started. The lighting looks so cool on the E36. Okay, so step one is obviously to pop the hood. I'm gonna make some room for myself to work here. The thing that's kind of annoying is I really don't know how much space I have here whenever I work on the car. I could probably push it back a little bit more, but it's just annoying because like I'm always having anxiety that the garage door is gonna hit the car. And yeah, I just gotta get out of that way of thinking. All right, that's enough anxiety for me. There's still so much room and I could have moved it, but whatever. Okay, so in order to remove the headlight, you have to take out these two, I believe, 10mm screws. There's also a Phillips screwdriver that holds in the corner light right here. You just loosen that and pull that straight out if you want to. You don't have to pull it out. You can just unscrew it and it'll come out with the headlight. There's I believe, an 8mm or 10mm way down in there. And I believe there's another light. I can't remember where. And we have to remove this piece as well. So I'm just gonna do that quickly, really fast, and then we can swap out these angel eyes. Actually they are 8mm, not 10, so yeah, back to listening to Bad Bunny. Alright, so once you've removed the bottom trim piece, aka this one, you will see that there's two 8mm bolts right under the headlight. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in when I'm editing, if I can get the light where exactly it's supposed to be. You can probably see it right there, yep. It's a 8mm, there's two of them, and there's one right there as well. You can see it right there under the headlight. Once you get those out, the headlight should just come right out. And then make sure you disconnect the high beam, low beam, etc. And just be careful disconnecting those things because you don't want to mess up your ballast or anything. HIDs can get kind of expensive. All right, so I decided to work smarter, not harder, and I'm just gonna try and see if I can just take the lens off without removing the actual headlight assembly, because I really don't want my low beams to stop working again for me fiddling with the wiring and stuff. So I'm gonna try and just pry out all the little trim pieces and see if it's possible. I don't think it is, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna make it harder. If I realize it is, I'll just continue taking out the headlight. But I screwed these bolts back in just to see if it'll allow me to pull the plastic housing out. No. Oh my goodness gracious. And we got the lens out. Oh my god, somebody's calling me and my phone moved. It freaked me out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the, I'm gonna try to at least. I don't remember how exactly I did this, but I'll figure it out and then yank them bitches out and then we'll be good money. I wonder if this plastic piece comes out. I don't remember if I took this out. I think I did actually. I don't know, I don't want to do any work. I just want to yank these out and just be done with them. You know? Like, I don't care if they break, just don't. There we go. I can't even remember what part this is. What did I just yank on? This can't be good. Let's just leave this here. Grab the other one. Alrighty, I'm not trying to touch the freaking lens. The projector housing. Ah! I don't know what I'm breaking. I might have to take this plastic piece out. I don't want to because it's just more work. But I think I might have to. I can't remember. I think I did take this out actually. Let me get my handy dandy light. What are we working with here? All right, that right there. See, but I don't want to mess with this and then risk breaking plastic. You know, like, well, that's okay. My front bumper's already screwed up. Let me just, I guess I just yank on this. Oh, okay. That was easy. Okay, just chill. It's okay. The front bumper is trashed anyway, so stop letting it hurt your soul, Schmile. Let's get this majig out of here. There we go. Now we're gonna yank some wires out. Ah! These have adhesive behind them. All right, what's going on here? All right, we got one. One of them's fighting us. All right, we got them out, guys. We did it. We got the freaking piece of crap halo rings out, and what you do with these next is just toss them. And now I'm gonna get a microfiber. I don't know if I should touch any of this, but it looks like it has been touched before, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it with a microfiber, clean some of this insides, even though all of it's gonna be covered, and then wipe everything down, make it nice and clean, and then put everything back together. Okay, now it's time to put this back. This might be a bitch, or it could be 2 seconds. We shall see. Don't forget to put this back on. All right guys, so as you can see, the halos are now completely out and it looks fantastic. It matches with the driver's side. It was bothering me a lot. My OCD was getting to me that the one side had halo rings in it and the other side did not. So that was really irking me, but now it's out. So it's cool. I love how the car looks when the low beams are on and it's just driving. I've made videos of my car driving by with the headlights. I've seen a couple people drive it and I've seen it and I like it a lot. I think it's perfect. It's exactly period correct. Let me know what you guys think. If you think I'm crazy for trying to say that angel eyes don't belong on these cars, because I know a lot of you feel like, you know, they look amazing on E46s, probably only belong on E46s, etc. My whole thing is they don't belong on these. BMW does a really good job on realizing or figuring out what cars they belong on and which ones they don't. I think on E39s, they look great. If you have E39, you want to put halos on it, even though it's the same time period, go ahead, do it. But in my opinion, I think, you know, on the E46, E36, M3, it just doesn't work. But again, you know, that's open to your decision. If you want to rock them, feel free. But let me know what you guys think of that controversial idea, and also the kidney grill. I really like that as well. But anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.